Benchmark Restaurant is a teaching and learning restaurant where the students are able to learn all aspects of food service here at Niagara College. Hospitality students and culinary students have the opportunity to work. They have a real life experience operating a real restaurant. So additionally to our regular restaurant service, students can also learn how to run cocktail receptions, banquet services. For example, our chef series dinners. So we have 8 chef professors that are hosting dinners for over 80 guests. We have large banquets like caps, corks, and forks for 200, 300 guests, as well as several other final examinations, culinary and hospitality and tourism that all fall within the purview of this venue space.
I always love to see people smile. I just started looking for options where I can grow in hospitality, and that's where I found Niagara College. And I'm just living the dream. Benchmark has given me a platform where I was able to just shine like a star, and with the help of my team members and as well as my manager Victor, I learned how to communicate well with not only my guests, but as well as my team members, which is very necessary in hospitality.
I came to Niagara College as an international student, and after graduating, I got my job opportunity at Benchmark. I work here as a chef de partie. My favorite part about working at Benchmark is the event that we do every year. It's called Caps, Corks, and Forks. Everything comes from around this campus. The beer comes from the brewery, the wine comes from the winery, and there's plants and decoration from the greenhouse. The food comes from Benchmark.
Usually an event starts around 6 o'clock, but for us, the event starts at 2 p.m. And as soon as the event hits, it's game time. I have learned how to stay patient, how to stay as cool as possible, and that will help me when there is quite a big rush coming in any restaurant that I'm working in.
Here at Benchmark, after finishing your first year, when you come for the co-op, you will get to work with different chefs, Chef Justin Downs and Chef Anthony Greco. Underneath their leadership, you will do great things and you will get more involved with Niagara College Culinary Department.
So the students in the back are mainly co-op students. So they're working on their co-op programs.
Service usually lasts from 11:30 to 2:30, and then we have multi-facets of food service operation. We have catering, we have a cafe which services all of the guests to Niagara College as well as students and faculty.
We try to give them as many different experiences as possible to show them that, wherever they go, if they go work in a hotel, they got a kind of an understanding what a hotel atmosphere is like. If they go work fine dining, they understand what a fine dining atmosphere is like.
I've always said Niagara College is as much about learning as it is about networking. This is an opportunity to interact with chefs that are current in the field, or maybe some chefs that have a great reputation in the field, that have connections all over the world.
After spending here a couple years, I have grown as a cook and as an industry professional. I got to see and work with lots of chef professors from around the world.
Career-wise, I want to stay in hospitality. I want to get a managerial position. I feel like it's very necessary for a person to understand how hospitality industry works, because you will be talking to people in everyday situations, and I feel like hospitality is the best way to go out.